Hey, what's up, guys? Mob Country at Broke Folks Moto. And today's video will be about DIY center punch. Okay, and I will do a test against a regular nail. Okay, I made a center punch out of a motorcycle valve, which is right here, and we will test it against a regular nail. Okay, one thing I can tell you. This metal right here that's from a motorcycle valve is much more superior than this metal. Okay, this metal is much softer, this metal is much harder. I was playing around earlier, and one thing I can tell you, this penetrates very good. This right here only scratched the surface. Okay, so all right, so how do you make this? Just Worcester angle grinder, black disc, use that to cut it off. Okay, and you can either use this or that to grind it to a point. Okay, you can either use either one of those, but I prefer that's 40 grit. It gets the job done much safer and much faster. Okay, grind it to a point. So let's get the test started. All right, guys, that's the nail. That's the DIY center punch. Okay, so we will put two X side by side and we'll punch the center of that X. Okay, so the first X, this one, I want to save this metal right here. I don't want to mess around right there, so we're gonna go right here. So this one is for the valve. This one is for the nail. Like I said, the nail only scratches, but the valve penetrates, and boy does it penetrate. Okay, we're gonna give it the same equal amount of force. Valve right here, nail right there. Same equal amount of force. We're gonna try our best. And one hit, one strike. Boy, oh boy, did it penetrate. Good old tiny hole. Here's the nail. Hit nice and pointy. One hit. All right, and it just, there's a mark, but it's a scratch. So let me see if you guys can see it. All right, so that tiny hole from the valve is so much superior to this. This is not even a hole, guys. This is a scratch. I'm gonna give you a close-up, but this camera is just not too good. Okay, so that's the close-up. Okay, you really can't tell a difference, but I will personally tell you the valve, there's a hole. And the nail is just a scratch. All right, so let's just test it with a drill bit. Okay, I'm going to place the center, the pointy tip inside the hole and wiggle it, see if it frees up or not. We're going to do the motorcycle valve. Okay, I'm wiggling it and it's stiff. Okay, so if I was to drill a hole, it's gonna be right there, dead on. So now we're gonna go with the nail. Hey, it's not moving neither, so right? It's not moving neither, so can't complain. Just hit it a few more times with the nail and it should be better. So we'll just do that. But they're both good. So now I want to see if that nail can actually get penetrated, you know. Still no hole. That's a second hit. We're gonna go with a third hit. Still no hole. Only a mark. Only a scratch. This has the hole. All right. We're gonna go a second time. 3 times with this. Enlarge that hole. See, the hole's already getting bigger. 2. 3. Yeah, that hole is very pronounced now from the naked eye. Okay, and we're just gonna give this little buddy one more, see if it even puts a hole. Oh, we missed it. And no hole, still a mark. Okay, one last chance, one last chance. Still no hole, only a mark. So, what are the results? The result is, get yourself some beat up, trashy motorcycle valve, car valve, whatever valve you can find available, and make yourself one. Because this puts superior punches in the metal. Alright guys, like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you dislike it, comment if you want to, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Peace.